Hello friends, welcome to ANCHALA cooking show. Today recipe is mushroom ka sabji. And now this is washed mushroom. Now we will cut for like that 4 piece. Now we will cut all the mushroom like that. You can see this is the fresh mushroom. Just cut it like that. Don't cut it small. Here you can see I cut all the mushrooms. Let's see the ingredients. This is the ingredients. You can see onion, chopped onion, 4-5 onion, chopped tomato, 3-4 chopped tomato, garlic paste, coriander leaves, salt, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Let's cook. Now add mustard oil. Now add dry spices. You can see all. You can follow my description box for this. Add all that spices. Add chopped onion. Now add salt. Now the onion get brown. Now add garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder. This is garam masala powder. Now add kashmiri lal mirch for color. Mix it well. Add little water. Fry the masala nicely. Now add tomato. You can see the tomato get soft. Now add mushroom. Add mushroom. Mix it well. Add little salt. If you like black pepper powder, then you also add. Now cover it till the mushroom get not soft. You can eat with rice or roti or naan, anything. Now cover it and cook 10 minutes. You can see mushroom is almost ready. Add coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves. This is now ready to eat. The mushroom almost have a water. Mushroom leaves water. I cannot add water in it. If you want water, you can add it. Now this is the lunch. This is rice. mushroom curry. You can see this is potato, mashed potato. We will call chokha or bharta. Mango pickle, and this is dal. Let's eat. Let's try mushroom first. It's really delicious. You can also try at home. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Bye.